Hello everyone, welcome to another weekend vlog. I think weekend vlog. I don't know if my days are interesting enough to just have a single day anymore, but that's about to change, hopefully very soon. So the reason I'm making this vlog is I feel like it's going to be one of the final weekends I have in like complete lockdown, because in a few weeks time I'm going to be going back to London as shops and restaurants open, so kind of commemorating the end of hopefully an era. Please let it be the end. My parents have both had the vaccine, my grandparents have had it. With every single jab we get one step closer to freedom. For now, we are still here. It is Saturday morning. I have a bunch of parcels that are due to arrive. Actually, before I head out, I want to show you something from my friend's new small shop, Lucy, who was on my first Disney program. She has just set up Collier's Emporium. So this is the candle here, Beignet Dreams. It smells incredible. It's so vanilla-y and sweet and just beautiful. But then if you come around here, there is a code to scan on Apple Music and it unlocks a whole playlist that is themed to the candle, which is just insane. Let me show you. You are resting very precariously on my chair. Candle, phone, oh gosh that's weird. And then scan, comes up any second. Oh my gosh, really exposing myself listening to the Tinkerbell end credit score suite. I'm loving the Tinkerbell movies right now. They are comfort, they are beautiful. But yeah, there's a whole playlist called Beignet Dreams and it's just full of like motivational bops. So there is that. I think she completely sold out of her candles in the first drop, but she'll be restocking them very soon, so I will link it down below. They also have a Tangled one and Belle one. Obviously they are like my favourite princesses, but the smell of this one was more for me. I'm very into my sweet scents. It's just perfect. Guys, I'm in the car and I'm going somewhere that's not Starbucks. I'm actually going into town because Alice has a dentist appointment, so I'm gonna drop her at that, and then we're gonna go get lunch and takeaway and sit in the park because we can sit on a bench now. Feeling blessed today, very excited for some kind of takeaway food and to just sit on a bench. We're really appreciating the small things in life right now. Stumbled upon a vegan vegetarian falafel halloumi stand and I was like, if there's a chance to shop local, I will. Gave me a sample of falafel, it was out of this world, and we got the goods for Alice. A hefty halloumi wrap. That is heavy. I know. Oh my god, I could do weights with it. For me, they just kept putting in more falafel. I don't think. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. Feel. I swear, because I came back and they were really happy I came back. Oh my goodness, that's insane. Taste test try? Yeah, go for it. Oh, big bites. We were testing the other night how big our mouths are. We decided Alice has a bigger mouth than mine. Physically. Well, quite excitingly, just had 3 packages arrive. Big Stradivarius package. Oh wow, that's really cool. So it just comes in this brown package and there's no plastic inside. So, oh. I've been wanting a sweater vest for a hot minute, so I ordered 3 different kinds, and I also ordered a couple pairs of shorts to try on. I'm nervous because I feel like trying on shorts can make you feel really bad about yourself, and that's not what we want today, but we're gonna give it a try. We have the shorts. I got them in 2 different sizes. The smaller one actually fits, which I'm surprised at. A fun time. Now on the website, they styled it with this sweater vest. So obviously in my mind, I have the vision I'm gonna look like the model. Probably not gonna be the case. Oh, I think she had it like a little bit tucked in. What do we think? I actually kind of like it. Like I don't necessarily know if I would wear these together, but I feel like I like it. Do I? Maybe? Okay, this one I thought was going to be my favourite. I feel like this needs like a tee underneath. I think it's just very different for me. Like I've never had a sweater vest before. Kind of like it, perhaps. And then this is the third one, which is more like a cropped cardi style. Kind of love this one. I kind of like them all. I definitely can't keep all 3 because that's excessive. But at the same time, I've ordered a lot of spring clothing recently. Maybe I should quickly try on some of those for you guys as well. Yeah, let's have a cute little spring haul right here. This is the first one. It is from Hollister. All the things I'm going to show now are from Hollister. I feel like it fits really nice. It's very fun. Very lightweight. When I'm back in London, in the city, in the summer, I'm very excited to wear it. Then we have this one, which I absolutely love. It feels so Belle, but slightly modern day, like the romantic kind of puff sleeves. It literally is like a modern day princess. I like it. This crochet pink top, which is just like a fun take on a basic. It's got like the cable knit. Finally, I also got this crochet top with the sunflowers. It's just the most me top ever. And these yellow culotte style trousers. I feel like I'm literally gonna live in these because so like free, almost like pajama bottoms, but appropriate for going out in. that's where my money has been going in recent weeks, that and coffee. But it makes me feel good, it makes me feel excited for when we can do things again, so I have no regretties. Eat more spaghetti. So now let's open the 2 packages we have here. I think this first one is cookies from House of Baked, which is an online bakery, and they also do vegan boxes, which is obviously great for me, but they recently came out with Easter flavors. As soon as I saw them, I knew we had to get on board. There we go. And inside, I forgot, I was like, what is this little note card? I forgot that I actually filled out the gift card bit for myself. That's really cringe. Dear Emily and Alice, you're doing amazing, sweeties. Love yourself. Kiss. I think I wrote this for myself when I was like feeling down. What a nice little reminder from me to me. Oh my goodness. So we have chocolate orange, peanut butter and fudge, not for me. Alice can have that one. Bourbon and Oreo, Biscoff, definitely mine. And then we have the 2 Easter flavors, which are cream egg and chocolate cream egg. They managed to make vegan cream egg flavors, which just blows my mind. And then finally, we come to this little box from Royal Parks Designs. Very excited about this. So I believe this is stuff from their Flower and Garden box, which is a collaboration with Galactic Design Co. See what's inside. Oh, this is the box. We have a couple masks, which is so great because I don't know how, but I've lost most of my masks. I feel like they're in pockets, in bags. So I'm using my Christmas one still right now, which, you know, I love to spread Christmas cheer all year round, but it's middle of March and I feel like let's embrace the florals and the spring. So, oh, they are perfect. Just the vibe I was going for. The pink one. And they're like breathable cotton, double layer on the inside, elastic loops. Perfect. This adorable Flower and Garden headband. How cute is that? I am very excited when I get to go to Flower and Garden next year because it's gonna be so worth the wait. Have a little sticker pack with orange bird and a Flower and Garden sticker. And then finally we have this adorable print, which is just so cute. I need to figure out where I'm gonna put it because prints. Oh my gosh, stop. Prints all over my room. So that was an unexpected, very big haul of spring flowers, all the fun times. I need to decide what to do with these sweater vests because I kind of want all of them, but it can't be all 3, it can't. From one of those afternoons where you spend way too much time scrolling on TikTok, so I decided let's do a TikTok dance. I'm gonna see if Alice is up for it. Oh, I'm gonna wear my oversized tie-dye hoodie sweatshirt because when I have bigger clothing on, I feel like a bigger person and like I can do more of these dance moves. I'm not a cool dancer, guys. I have not got the rhythm. I did ballet. That was my thing, which is very different to these TikTok-y moves. Alice? Ready? Let's do this. I don't think I remember it. It's fun. Just do it fun. No, forgetting the second. You didn't wave. You have to go, ew, big wave. You didn't wave. I just did it. I just waved. Wait, I did it wrong. I was so focused on the wave. This time's the one. Oh yeah, I got it wrong, sorry. I think we might have got it. Oh, got it! We did it!
We did it!
We did it, Joe. You're gonna be the next queen of TikTok. Cardio for the day. Complete. Hey now. It looks different every time. I know. It's just crazy how same recipe. I like it when it's stickier like this though. That is the recipe if you would like it. Very well used recipe card. So now Alice is going to taste test the chocolate cream egg cookie. This is the one you've been waiting for. All of my life. Show yourself. Yeah, literally, pull it apart. We want to see that cream egg center. Are you ready for it? How many musical references? Oh. Mmm, chocolate. Good. Fantastic. Spider-Man Homecoming for the first time. We'll let you know my thoughts tomorrow.
I'm already really enjoying it. Tom Holland, new crush.
Oh no, add to the list. Good morning everyone, happy Sunday. It is a lovely, sorry lovely. Okay, we're doing a spot of baking this morning, going with chocolate muffins. I'm very excited about because I have not had a muffin in so long because they don't really do vegan muffins very easily. Well, I think they're easy to do. I feel like they're just not very accessible right now. So we're gonna give it a go. Oh yeah, a little update on that. So obviously I did veganuary and then I carried it through to February, did nothing non-vegan. And then a couple weeks ago I had cheese pizza. And then the next day I had cheese panini. Because I was like, you know, let's just give it a go. And my skin broke out like crazy. So no more dairy for Em. I have everything here ready to go. Let's do this. Oh, as well, I should probably say we loved Spider-Man last night with Tom Holland. I thought the plot was Why am I even bothering to try and justify it? I thought Tom Holland is really, a really strong character. He performed the role well, and he happened to look nice while doing it. This is not just cocoa powder. This is Harrods cocoa powder. Fun fact, I wrote the copy for this a couple years ago. If you don't know, work at Harrods, I feel like I talk about it all the time. But they give us hot chocolate every year in our Christmas like goodie bag. And we haven't used a ton of it, but I figured these are gonna be some bougie chocolate muffins. I want them to be good. So we're not taking any risks here. We are having top quality. Also, this is like kind of a bit of a point of contention. I still don't understand, and I've looked it up, how muffins are different from cakes. They are just mini cakes that are masquerading as a breakfast food. Like, why did they get the invite to breakfast and other cakes didn't? Like, why aren't we just having cheesecake for breakfast? Is it the frosting? Is that what throws it off? Is people like, if they were just plain cupcakes, we could accept them. They could be at the breakfast buffet. But putting that frosting on is just too much. Add in the brown sugar. Look, my brown sugar is all crusty. Why? I feel like I'm excavating. You know, like in Animal Kingdom, when you used to be able to dig up the fossils in the junkyard. I feel like that's what I'm doing right now, except there's no bones. This is where it all went wrong. It isn't much, but it's good enough for me. Oh, add a pinch of sea salt. I would love a pinch. The lid was on. Why is it so clumpy? So we need to slowly add this in. Am I gonna multitask here? Oh, that was a bit much. Oh, it's come together, ladies. Look at that. Looks like a cake mixture to me, even though it's supposed to be a muffin. It says to add a chocolate square in the middle of each one. Just like melt the middle, but I don't want that disappointment. I feel like setting yourself up for failure, thinking you're getting a melting middle and then you don't. I'm just gonna add some chocolate chips. Not even gonna measure that, completely eyeball. Could be a mistake, but it could also be something quite fantastic. It said that you could just put them straight into the tin. Again, that's setting ourselves up for failure. It's gonna not come out. I'll be sad. This video will be a failure once again. Speaking of which, actually, the last few videos I've uploaded have completely flopped. They haven't done well, and I'm in this hard place where this morning I kind of came to a realization. Why am I focused on the 1,000 or so people that didn't bother clicking on the video? Why am I giving them my energy when actually I should just try and be the best version of me for the people that are clicking? There's no point in me being down and sad for the people that are watching and being like, people aren't watching my videos, when those people aren't watching anyway. So I've realized I'm never going to be universally liked. I'm never going to be one of those big YouTubers that everyone really likes watching. I'm never going to be even big in the Disney community. I'm never going to be like a Bron or a Tim Tracker or anything like that. Firstly, because I live in friggin' England. But I'm never going to be one of those people that everyone likes. I should reset my expectations and then I'll be happy with the results. That is kind of, I feel like, the issue of everyone in modern day society. We want too much, and then when we don't get it, we end up being disappointed. So I'm going to go into it, lower my expectations, and once I accept that, I think I'll be happier, and I won't constantly be like, oh, people don't like my videos, because there are still people, like, even if it only gets 1,000 views, that's still 1,000 people more than I ever kind of expected. And also 1,000 people in a room is terrifying. So yes, this is my commitment to try and not wallow in the fact that my videos are just not doing very well. That is the moral of the video. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Thank you for clicking again. If you are here, thank you for supporting me, even though I'm in lockdown still and it's not been the most exciting content. We all know that. I wish I could bake every person watching this a chocolate muffin, because you are valuable and loved, and I appreciate your presence here. That is delightful. One of the best things about vegan baking is you can just try it straight off and not worry about salmonella. Divine. We have our muffins, let's pop them in. Time to clean up. I'll see you when they are out of the oven. Oh my goodness. Do you see the perfection? I've absolutely smashed it. I'm actually chuffed. Look. We will obviously have to wait for them to cool to test them, and also I'm going out to meet my friend Ruth in the park for another lunch on a bench. So I think it's gonna have to be an after lunch treat, but how could they taste bad when the batter tasted that good? Good job, Em. Also, I wore a white sweater to do it, and I don't think... No stains. Wow, really thriving. Oh my goodness. Hello, welcome back, it's me. I have worse self-control than a 5-year-old, so we're gonna give it a try right now. Let's crack her open. I should not be this impressed with myself, but it really is about the small wins right now. Cheers. Stop. That's just taken me right back to school when we used to get chocolate muffins. I feel like muffins were such a school dessert in the UK. Is that a thing everywhere else? That is beautiful. Soft, light, fluffy, perfection. I will link the recipe down below if you would like to try it. Dig a little deeper. The sun is shining. I'm in such a good mood. Might be the sugar from the muffins. A wild dream.
With some food.
And sunglasses.
You're gonna use
my napkins. It's
all going wrong.
I went for a mushroom risotto soup. If I show you it, you're gonna judge me because it's very ugly.
It doesn't.
It's the most unappetizing. It looks like it should be from
so
Charlie and the Chocolate
brown.
Factory. Bread with got posh cheddar and pickle. We're just happy to be alive. Sun is shining.
In person.
I know, after over a month, we lived 10 minutes apart, finally. Back together. Time for Alice to try one of my muffins. This is the chocolate connoisseur of the fam.
I have to say, I said the only time I feature on these vlogs is when I'm trying something, some kind of food.
That's so true, yesterday as well with the cookie. Nothing else to
Nothing else
give.
to contribute.
Warms it up a little
Wow, this is
bit.
very warm.
Nice and gooey. Hope you like it. Is it good?
Very good, nice and gooey.
Yeah? Any improvements?
Are there chocolate chips in here?
Yep.
Then no.
And we're watching the one on Netflix. I don't know if this is available on the US Netflix as well, but it's so weird having UK series on Netflix. I feel like it's always American ones, and the UK accents are really annoying me. Even though some of them are perfectly normal accents, I don't know why. I just find UK accents really cringy in TV shows. I feel like it feels fake.
It's just the main woman.
For me, it's not even just the main woman. Every single person they speak, and I'm like, oh. I don't know why. I find it so weird hearing UK accents, because we literally grew up watching Disney Channel. I don't know, but then I like The Crown.
Oh, but I love The Crown. Honestly, whenever I'm watching The Crown, I end up trying to speak like so fast for like the next week. I love it.
I don't know, I think it just feels, I think it's because the type of accent they're using is the accent Americans mimic when they're trying to be British.
I hope it's not real.
So it feels fake, even though it's not. I don't know. This series has a strong
It's
premise.
like a drama school accent.
Yeah, it is. It's a strong premise. I just don't know if I'm sold. We're on episode 5. I want to finish it. We're not having another tiny pretty things of just dropping it halfway through. We are going to find out what is happening with
I'm
Rebecca.
not really fussed, to be honest.
Well, I am. So we're going to continue on. You can eat a muffin and be happy about it. Also, Rhea tried her muffin and she liked it very much too. So muffins all around.
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Woman.
On Drury Lane?
Would like to be on Drury Lane watching Frozen, the musical. Would be nice. Thank you. That was contestant number 6, Alice and Emily, with That's the Way I Loved.
In the lip sync category.
The lip sync category. It's even better out this side. Oh my gosh.
What's behind the camera?
Oh good. Let's turn it around. I had to come downstairs and come outside because the sky is insane. Miss Lee, is it? What did we just do?
We booked Hairspray!
Yeah, not quite as exciting as Disney World, but we've rebooked for what, the third time?
Yeah, I think it's the third.
Third time. August, here we come.
Come.
But we will get there. We will get back to the theatre. Good times to be had.
Let's manifest that.
Right, hear me out. Doesn't it look like there's a face on my jeans? Alice is annoyed at me because I made her pause this film so that I could do the outro. If you enjoyed this video, little weekend vlog, give it a thumbs up. I know it's gonna have mass appeal, but I appreciate anyone that did watch it and especially got to this point. Comment down below what kind of videos you would like to see once I can make fun stuff again and be out and about. You're so done with me. She's like, I can't wait for all that to be out so you can be out of this house and I can watch films by myself. Subscribe if you would like to. I totally get it if you don't want to, but just saying, good stuff's coming soon. She's like, goodbye.
Love you, bye.
See you next time. Bye.